common angels, but we're talking about the archangel himself. And angels have been dispatched, and they are responding based upon your hunger. This is what it's all about. It's your hunger. It's your hunger for more of him, less of man. Many call and they ask, now who is speaking today? And I get offended when someone asks who is speaking, because for a conference like this, it's not a conference, it's a summit. It's not about personality. And that's why this stage is designed like this, that we will have an understanding that it's not about man, it's not about man, it's not about personalities, it's not about personality, it's about the King. It's about the King. It's about the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. It's about us turning our focus from man and putting God back on the throne of our hearts. And God is calling you today. He's wooing you. He's wooing you. And He's saying, my bride, I long for you. I long for you. God is here, and He's saying, oh my bride, I'm weeping for you, and I'm brooding over you this morning, because I love you with an everlasting love. Oh my bride, if you would just summon me, I will make myself manifest to you. Oh, my bride, I long for you. See, God is wanting to bring the atmosphere of heaven where you are. The atmosphere of heaven. He wants to tangibly manifest himself to you. The setting is intimate, and it only draws those who have that hunger for him. Those who have gone beyond the outer court. Those who will not settle for the inner court, but those that want to go to the throne zone. And he's saying, take that odyssey with me. God is wanting to take you to that place this morning. He wants to give you access to the throne. When you're in that place, you don't have to strive anymore. You don't have to work up a praise anymore. When you are in that place, you think a thing and you will see the manifestation. You don't have to beg, because it's already yours. He has already given you an inheritance, but he wants you to take it.